the PlayStation 5 is starting to look like the revolution it promised. Six months after its November 12 debut, the PlayStation 5 is well on its way to being a success story for Sony. As of March 31, the company had sold 7.8 million of the new video game consoles worldwide, enough, in both units and dollars, to make it the biggest console launch in US history. The day a new game console comes out is about far more than a shiny new piece of hardware. It's also traditionally a chance for a company to make an argument for said hardware through software, including games that could only be played on that console. System sellers can happen anytime, but launch system sellers are a special breed. Now, 6 months after launch, a new phase of PS5 games has begun, titles that are leveraging the console's capabilities to push forward. First was Returnal, a console exclusive from Housemarque, the same studio that created PS4 standout Resogun. The creepy roguelike shooter received raves for its immersive narrative techniques and atmospheric gameplay that tapped into the PS5's 3D audio and haptics like nothing before it. When players run through an overgrown biome on a hostile alien planet, the raindrops somehow feel like they're coming through the controller itself. Aiming your weapon at an attacking creature is a two-part process. Your trigger stops halfway to use your usual sidearm, and depressing it more unlocks the weapon's secondary function. But it also speaks to the strength of the offerings, even if they represent early-ish explorations of the PS5 feature set. Many of the cross-platform titles performed better on the PS5 than they did on the Xbox Series 10, for instance.